All this innovation means little if the car isn't convenient to live with, so let's talk range and charging. For years, electric vehicles have been held back by two big concerns: how far you can drive on a single charge, and how long it takes to recharge. But that's all changing. And fast. 2026 is the year these hurdles are finally overcome. Automakers are pushing the limits, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. The 800-volt battery architecture, pioneered by Porsche and now industry standard, enables ultra-fast charging and lighter, more efficient systems. This higher voltage not only speeds up charging, but also reduces heat and energy loss, making every drive smoother and more reliable. With a compatible 350 kW charger, you can add 125 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Charging starts to feel like a quick gas stop. No more waiting around for hours. A short break is all you need to get back on the road. Long road trips become easy, with charging stops dropping to 15 minutes or less. Families can stretch their legs, grab a coffee, and be ready to go before they know it. The psychological barrier of range anxiety is fading fast. Drivers are gaining confidence knowing they can go the distance without worry. The real game changer: solid-state batteries. This next leap in battery technology is set to transform the industry. These new batteries are more energy-dense, safer, and can handle even faster charging. They're less prone to overheating, and their compact size means more room for passengers and cargo. Expect top-end ranges well over 400 miles on a single charge, with charging times potentially cut in half again. Imagine driving from city to city with barely a thought about your next stop. Solid-state tech means less risk of fire, more aggressive charging, and lighter, more compact battery packs. It's a leap forward in both safety and performance. Combine this with 800-volt systems, and you get cars that are not only fast and luxurious, but also incredibly practical. The future of electric driving is here, and it's designed for real life. Most charging happens overnight at home. You wake up with a full tank. It's as easy as plugging in your phone, and you're ready for the day ahead. Public charging is only needed for long trips, and even then, it's quick and painless. The network is expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to find a fast charger wherever you go. These breakthroughs are the foundation for everything else. Performance, tech, and sustainability all start with the battery.